Hey Glam Fam, what's up? You thought that I was already gonna have the look done? No, because then why would you even watch? Don't you want to see what the finished result looks like? I can say one thing. At this point in the game, I already know what the look is gonna look like because I've already looked it up on Google.
Oh man.
But at least I wore my fancy clothes for you today. Hey.
I kiss myself, I'm so pretty.
Okay, all right, enough of that. Good thing I'm home today because I would have to cancel all my plans today if I had to wear this makeup out in public. But let's see what you think. But first, let me just call my butler and tell, darling, yes, I have to cancel all my appointments today. Oh, I can't go out in public like this. Absolutely not. Okay, no. I'm not going anywhere anyways. I'm literally wearing pajama pants. Just an FYI for all you YouTubers out there, I challenge you to do this as well so I can watch yours too. You know, we gotta support each other. Do this challenge. It'll be fun. Even if you don't have a channel, do it anyway. Don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys really and honestly and truly, all jokes aside. So let's do this.
I just wanna show you off, I don't wanna do you wrong. Mirror, mirror on the wall, who's the flies of them all?
Today we are doing the Google Picks My Makeup Challenge. I got this inspiration from Nikkitutorials and then a bunch of other people stepped up and did it as well. I'm a little late to the game. I believe it was like 3 months ago, but I had thought about doing it, but then I had other ideas and it just got pushed to the side. But today we are doing it. To save you guys the time and the trouble, I'm going to put my eyebrows on off camera and my base on off camera, and we'll just be doing the makeup look. For those of you who don't know what the Google Picks My Makeup Challenge is, I'm going to insert Nikkitutorials explaining it right now.
Me, Nikki, hello. Another day, another challenge. So today I tried to come up with a brand new challenge that I don't think I've seen before, but you know, YouTube-wise, you never know nowadays. Today we're doing the Google Picks My Makeup Challenge. The rules are actually super simple. Typing in the first letter of your first name and the first letter of your last name, and then pasting look after it. So in my case, that would be NJ Look. The first image right there is what you're gonna take as your inspiration for your look today. Look at colors, look at details, look at textures. Zoom in if you can find a new color, a new texture that you can play with for your look today.
Be right back. I'll put on my foundation and my eyebrows and I'll see you in a few. Okay guys, I'm back. Can we just talk about something for a second? I don't want to make this any longer than it needs. First of all, I'll just tell you what I use and then I'll tell you something cool. The e.l.f. Illuminating Primer mixed with the Urban Decay Optical Illusion Primer. I mix these both. I use this for my pores and my lines and this for the glow. I use my e.l.f. pencil for brows, you know the deal. I got a powder foundation in my Ipsy bag. Of course it's tiny, but it's called the Anna Kadar Beauty Flawless Finish Foundation Dual Powder in Caramelized Tan. Of course, I sprayed with the Mario Badescu spraying. I don't ever put powder on my face without spraying. And then I did my concealer, the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. I love that. And then, of course, I baked with the Anna Setting Powder. Like, I just wanted to, like, get my concealer on really quick. And I had picked up this at Walmart. Can I just show you guys something really quick? Because I feel like if I find out something, I need to share it with you guys. Okay, so see this? It looks dirty, but it's not. You see this? It's like flat, right? So it makes for perfect concealer application. And then this part I used to bake. I loved it. I love the way my concealer came out today. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up on this. This thing costs like literally $1. Just so you guys know I'm not cheating in this challenge, I am going to right now insert the clip of me, first initial of my last name and my first name, and then pasting the word look, and I'll show you what I came up with. As you can see, I'm opening up Google. I am typing in VW, which is my initials, and then look, and let's see what I get. I'm going to click the first image, which is with that blue car right there. I see some blues. I see some rust, so we can use some copper. I see some yellow, some blacks, some green, some white, a little bit of tan. That could count as my foundation. And yeah, so basically that's it. You can figure, since my initials are VW, that of course a Volkswagen is going to come up in the images. So I can work with a lot of browns, copper, yellow because of the tractor trailer, black, silver because of the rims on the tires. Thank God for those 22s. Spinning, they spin it. Use my Urban Decay full spectrum palette. So I was thinking I would do like a yellow cut crease. First thing we're going to do is prime our eyelids. It's a very sad day. I can't find my primer. Can we just take a moment? In the arms of an angel. I found it. So we're going to prime with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. I am going to start buffing into my transition. This rusty color right here. And let me know in the comment section down below, well, the image I got chosen for me and the colors, what you guys would have done differently. Go over it with my Real Techniques brush to make it look softer. Now with my Morphe M433 crease brush, I am going to go in to my contour palette, just taking this deep brown and putting that right in here and deepening the outer V. I feel like I need a black. My Too Faced Peach palette. I know this came up randomly. Color Tempting right here. I just need a darker color. I want to deepen up that V. I'm going to buff it out with my buffing brush and mix all the colors together. We are going to cut our crease. I take this Real Techniques small detail brush, my Tarte Shape Tape concealer, and I'm going to start to carve out my crease. Always look up. And we're only going to go to about right here. Don't worry if you didn't do it perfectly, because the blending brush and blending the outer edges will be what'll save you. This Real Techniques lid brush, and I'm going to dip into the yellow color. That's going to represent the tractor trailer. That doesn't match my Marvel superhero shirt. So now that we're done with that, crease brush again and go back into that brown just to blend everything all out. And then with, again, I'm going to go in the Too Faced Sweet Peach palette with my Morphe M433. Tempting, yeah, tempting, tempted. I'm going to take my Real Techniques brush and blend everything together. Hey guys, winged liner, yes or no? There was black in it. You know what? I'm a daredevil. I'm going to go in with winged liner. I'm using the Clinique Easy Pen. Going to go into our lower lash line. Taking the Morphe E36, I am going to go into that contour color, the dark brown. Top of it with Temptress to open up my eyes. Tempting. And then remember that rusty color and go right on top to smoke it out. To the face, there was definitely some brown in there, so today I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild concealer in their darkest shade. Honestly, it doesn't have a name on it. I'm going to contour. Brush right here, blending upwards, forehead, a little contour. I see. Nice of you to come to the party. Hulk and Deadpool and Thor and Spidey are happy to see you too. But our real best friend is highlighter. That's who we really want to show up. But first I'm going in with blush. Now, I know what you're thinking. You didn't see any rosy colors or anything like that. But you did see, like I mentioned earlier, a pink. Just in case somebody wants to say they didn't see it. Shame, shame, shame. Tisk, tisk, tisk. I'm going to insert that clip right here of me zooming in on the pink. Could have used it for my lips, but y'all don't want to know what this chick looks like with a light pink lip. It's not pretty. I look like a zombie. That light pink for my cheeks. I am going in with the Benefit Dandelion Blush. I would say it's the same color as that sign. Would you? My Morphe stippling brush. This is the M427. So you're probably wondering, what's she gonna do for highlight? Did y'all not see the rims? You know I told you about the rims. So we are going to go into the Hard Candy highlighter palette. This is called A Truth of Moonlight. What it looks like, if I can get this open.
2 hours later.
Okay. And I am going to go into the silver color right there. Not that I would normally wear a silver highlighter or anything. Now the party's popping. My Morphe E36, and I'm going to use that silver as brow bone highlight and inner corner highlight, because what other choices do I have? And I'm gonna take it to my inner corner. I literally feel like I'm a spokesperson for A Bug's Life, which I work for Disney, so I wouldn't be mad at that. Hey Pixar, how you doing? For mascara, I'm gonna go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. It is black. And the moment you guys have all been waiting for. Oh, I bet by now you guys are wondering, is she gonna put that Volkswagen blue? Yeah, you guessed it. Right in my lips. I am going to go into the color Petite 4 by ColourPop. This is the exact color of that Volkswagen. And that, my friends, is the finished look. Is it wearable? If you're staying in the house with a Marvel t-shirt that you took from your husband, then yeah, I would say it's wearable. But did I do the challenge? Come on, y'all. This lipstick probably wouldn't be my first choice, but I had to incorporate it. I love you guys so much. I hope you had fun with me today, because that's what it's all about. There's no rules in makeup. It's all about the fun. If you liked it, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. I love you guys. I will see you in my next video. Peace.